Okay, so this is my Iron Man heads-up display kind of interface for my computer. Um, it has speech recognition, but because I have pretty much fried the whole thing, it never listens. And it's ironic because it's sort of like from the movie where he doesn't fucking ever listen to anything, he's just dumb. But yeah, so this is the download upload rate. Obviously, the down is the down beam, whatever. And the upper sort of beams are upload speed. This is the network activity. So when it spikes or not spikes, that's when it's hooked up to the internet. This is actually a Doppler radar of the area. Um, and so like this is I couldn't get just BC for some reason. It shows just BC and then it crashes, but it's from the weather network, so whatever. This is local news kind of thing. Some local news, no, local news based on this radar. Talks about Trump and stuff like that. This changes every single day. That's just a player. This just shows like the gigs and stuff. This is part of the interface. This is like his chest plate thing. So yeah, so these are like website URL things. So like I have a favorites kind of list. They're sort of like little apps if you want. Yeah, you know. Yeah, these are folders. There's other things. There's just the neat DNA thingy. These are my fucking, these are my drives. It's cool because it shows like a little thing, how close they are to full. In the chest plate, it shows the percentage that the battery is charged. You saw it just changed to 8. That's because this laptop like kills the battery. It's also up here, but whatever. These are like panel choices. So land the ship. This is part of a Mass Effect thing that I downloaded and changed just for his user interface. It was just something that looked closer to the theme, so I just stole it. And it says turn off the computer, restart. There's sleep, and then there's log off and stuff like that. If this was on a network, which it's not. Trash can. The time, date, kind of thing. It's themed to the Avengers, so it's got the Shield operating system thing, and from like the helicarrier, like from the movie. Yeah, this is settings and stuff like that. It's customizable, so it shows like systems. It's cool because it's like AI system settings and a bunch of stuff like that. You can open up a notepad specific to a code, and then after a series of like forward slashes, you can type and it will come up on the screen. Anything will come up on the screen, like in a list form or a user form. These are also kind of things like Maple's a math program. I don't even know if the computer will run it anymore. It's dead. It says RAM usage. So, I mean, over a third of it's just using this thing. It's not really running anything. I ended up stopping using this computer because I got a new laptop. But Rainmeter and the other Lua language for this won't actually be used on the new computer because the new computer's resolution is too high for this Rainmeter resolution. They haven't updated Rainmeter for me to use it. But whatever. It would have been cool because the Rainmeter for my new laptop's a touchscreen, so that would have been fucking wicked. But no dice. What is the other thing? Oh yeah, speech recognition. So basically what you do is you say start listening. You're supposed to hear a prompt. And a speech grid is supposed to appear. But it does not, so I'll go hunting for it. Speech. Also, this keyboard won't, this keyboard doesn't work. It's part of the reason why I got a new one, is because literally the part of the motherboard is fried where the keyboard is. And you can do that, you can find that by taking this keyboard's pretty easy to take apart. But, yeah, that's my story for you. Where the fuck is it? I can't even write speech because the keyboard doesn't work. Hence my having to get voice activation for this stupid thing. See, it won't even fucking type. Like, S-P-E-E. There we go. Speech recognition. Start it. When it starts, what it was supposed to do, as you can see, it's sort of registering. What it was supposed to do is when I prompt the speech grid, it's supposed to start doing things like open up start, and then upon opening up start, you have background prompts for the commands. So you can have a command prompt for opening up the start thing, and it will say like, what will it say? It won't actually have a noise, but you can program all the sounds for Windows, and I can show you how to do that. So I can say, start listening. Okay, you can fuck off, Apple. Fuck you. Start listening. Hello. Yeah, another reason I have a new laptop. Start listening. Excuse me? Start listening. Start listening. Start. Show numbers. 17. Okay. Yeah. Show numbers. 8. Okay. Turn off speech grid. Turn off speech grid. Hide speech grid. There you go. Show numbers. 2. Okay. New tab. 3. Okay. Type. Google.com. Start typing. Yeah, anyways, this is a lot of fun. It takes a long time for it to start understanding your commands, but that you get the gist of it. Show numbers. Show numbers. Show numbers. Fuck. Fuck you, Jarvis. Show numbers. God, you're such an idiot.